Sapere Aude with Andrew Dupree. Did you know that falls from height remain one of the biggest contributors to workplace fatalities in all industries all over the world? This is an alarming statistic that should be of concern to all employers. As a result, I would like to record some educational videos and possibly do some podcasts in future about fall protection in general. These are some of the topics to be discussed. Fall risk, issue-based work at height risk assessments, a comparison between the ISO 45001 hierarchy of hazard controls as opposed to the ANSI hierarchy of fall protection controls, the ABCs of fall protection plans, fall prevention versus fall arrest, selecting anchor points, full body safety harnesses, donning the harness, and the inspection, servicing, and maintenance of your fall protection equipment. If you would like to collaborate with me on any of these videos or podcasts, please drop me a comment in the blog below or send me an email. Thank you for watching my video. Please remember to like the video and to subscribe to my channel in future.